going. Carry up on Yankupon Shranonyo Kashia, the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. And now a Sunday, because thank God it's Sunday. We the gospel must go militant. You bet me, this is what the gospel must go militant. You bet me, why Johnny Abomodi answer over share? Aha, the gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gone bitter for Christ. And next Sunday, they be a metaka say. And now walk on them equate the bone some yanu. Mammy Papa, ahundidie, you see, cleanness is next to holiness. Yes, so cleanness is next to holiness. And you can see the gospel must go militant. Omania very rough, and now Kwasi and Yabre are more Juma. The ladies are coming. Yes, you cronum say bear a do and numera. Wawabi and answer Abuabia in free room. I call rural areas now. This is sometimes what you do. The gospel is still going. The gospel is still going. And it is the whole community. So I shall see her Say Mizumi Kakra at the mama. Now I shall see her. You can see them coming. Emano, Mema, the whole community as a whole. This is what we can do. We don't just give the gospel. Listen, we don't just give the gospel. Debi Ametaka said, I will never catch fish for people. I'd rather teach people how to catch the fish. Me pacho away Sunday first service. Me pacho wa Jonia, but what dia so be she. We a Sunday first service. Chenetien ye pa. Sunday first service. Wa Jonia ubetimi a share. These are the gospel must go militant. This is what we can do. Yani sika nanso nimdia ni nyansa no ene de boa oman no. The gospel must go militant. What Johnny share everybody. Ghana Afrina abo around there say. Yes, sorry in temper. Say Afrina abo 633. Abo 5 near sorry. Emano prapra. Na mema no so ye bokwa no say be ya anajo no. Aha say light. The gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. It is a yaha and anopaya me pacho share. Yamfa adwuma no kwa na beba na emom yasade asempa tre no ebebrem. Wa Johnny a share. We are in a little village called Kwachikrom. Aha, Kwachikrom. This is where Joseph appear. The boy who is undergoing the surgery lives. This is what we can do to help the community. We don't just spread the gospel. We motivate, we join, we teach, we rebuke. Yeah, the gospel must go militant. Yania brepa, yes, krom. Why Johnny obey a share? Let me give this advice to my colleagues, pastors out there. Chenetenie. Yesu Kristo okono. Waka asemi kire. Na asem no kan ya mama papa ye wi afi. Wase yenko wiasa fa na nyina nkeka sempa ni cha abode nyina. Di obagie die no. Yemo na su. Na yen kire ne se oni de wa hye nyina so. Ene yen kire. Wo ye bibi se nipa no be se da bi se ahudie eyade bi ehia. Wo koka sema kire obi na nipa no yare a ebede na nipa na ere atimi atie. Apart from preaching the gospel, we need to also motivate them to work. Yan chance Zoom lion. Yan chance village as Zoom lion away. Yan chance a ban emepra. Yania, these are the gospel must go militant. Ade belanchi kono. Mubehune life. Samosha, these are the gospel must go militant. Emma, Enkola, Emofra. Yeah, this is what we can do. This is the gospel must go militant. These are the gospel must go militant. What Johnny Abetimi I share. You can see how the ladies are busy sweeping. These are the gospel must go militant. Asampa trenenko. Yeah, this is what we can do. We educate them, not just them reading. You can see the joy, You can see the joy they have in what you call doing the work. Which new Nigeria or mode ejumano. You can see the joy. Yes. And you can see the gospel must go moto. Yeah. This is my tricycle. Me moto no abe village and no any day sister Imrano. You can see those that's in the village. That is what we are using to carry the rubbish. Yeah. Yeah, brano, I say Munina Muhan, Mamu America, Mamu Italy, Mamu Belgium, or say any need to say Abuche Fuina Ebehono, Nania Jacras and Jumana Wayan because Mohono. Aha, these are the gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. This is what we can do to motivate them. You can see them busily working. This is what we can do Yes, sir. We shouldn't just go there to preach. We should teach them all these things. It's not that ebia omuntimi by ye nebe yo musu ade bia bo se kronu mate yarea basabasa ya ne na sefo nyina no entimi ma krono. You can see how the ladies are busily out working. They're taking out dust from the gutters. Where any ideas yetimi ebo hu dawuro enya sachira wadwen yes o sachira na adwen o tifi ma yare ebekuno saboni ankuna yare ere ebekuno. It is sometimes we need to motivate people. These are the gospel must go militants. The gospel must go. Yeah, the gospel must go militant. Yeah. Anope wa Johnny abetimi ahya mame. Wa Johnny abetimi ahye ede amame. Yegusua ye adwuma no. Yegusua ye adwuma no. Omo pra. These are the gospel must go militants. These are the gospel must go militants. We are in the village. This is where the boy who is undergoing the operation lives. Appear Stephen. This is where he lives. You can see the old ladies and the old women and the big members in the village. These are the big members. Yeah, these are the big members in the village. You can see how they are busily working.
Yes,
they are working. This is working. Yeah, do me well. Yeah. Oh, work and happiness. Yeah. Yeah, they go see you. Yeah. They go see you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how you
go see me for this. Down.
Yeah. They go see you. You be big mama.
Woman.
Yeah. Yeah.
To Ghana.
Yeah.
To do work.
Yeah, to do work. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I finished.
You be big mama.
Yes.
You be big mama. These are some of the things that we can do to just encourage them to clean their communities. We just give them the joy. You can see the joy that they have in doing the work. You can see the joy that they've gathered, the joy, the momentum. Everybody in the village has involved him or herself because of the work that we give to them. This is what we call the typical love. We just don't just go out to preach, but we preach to practice what we preach. Yeah, this is what we can do. People marvel, how is this guy able to command a community like this? A community that you are not from. How are you able to command it? It's by His grace. When the Holy Spirit is at work, nothing is impossible. When the Holy Spirit is at work, nothing on this earth is impossible. Look at the joy. Look at the joy. Look at the joy they have in all the doing the work. You can see the joy. Everybody is involved, both the old and the young. Please, my brothers and sisters, I'm just doing this video to encourage my police pastors that when you go out there, you shouldn't just go and preach. You can see everybody is seriously working. You can see the boys are weeding, the girls are also sweeping, just to maintain the town. Because when I came, I said no, the surrounding is very poor. Every day and then, people, snakes are biting people, scorpions are biting people. In the evening, you can see snakes, scorpion. Right now, Ghana has in suo toto. Suo toto say amame papa. Ubonsa awo one anyanyan chenene no. Omu pie ni ade. Enti ye we no ebeboa pa. After that to enye we nko. You make sure say street bobs. Yeah, the Bible boy. These are the gospel must go. This is the little we can do, and we know it's worth more than gold. Listen and listen good. What we are doing, I know it was more than good. I'm just doing this video to encourage my brothers evangelists out there. This is Apia Stevens' father. Most of those of you want to see Apia Stevens, the small boy who is undergoing the operation. This is his father. This is Apia Stevens' father in action. You can see how he's weeding. Yeah, so I will never regret helping this family. You can see how he's involved in the communal labor. He's part of the gospel must go militant. Those of you want to see Apia Stevens' father, this is Apia Stevens, the small child who is undergoing the operation. This is his father. This is his father, Apia Stevens' father in action. Yeah, you can see the gospel must go militant. They are busy clearing the bush. We are in the street of Kwachikrum. We are having a communal labor. I'm just doing this to motivate our brothers and sisters out there. You can see how they are working. You can see how the youth are busily working. Everybody is involved. Everybody. One of the surprising stories I will give is the committees, the elders, and others in the town wonder, how is this boy able to motivate these people? Because they will even cause the whole town is going to work and nobody will be involved. By just a single announcement, everybody came out. So this Sunday has been a Sunday to remember in this village. People are wondering. You can see where the public toilet is. The place is very bushy. Imagine in the night someone is coming to private. What will happen? But right now, with the help of the Gospel Must Go militants and the Holy Spirit, you can see the joy the boys are having in weeding this area in order to clear everything, so that this ruminant, these snakes, scorpion and others, they will not be able to come here. The Gospel must go, and the Gospel is still going. What a joy! What a joy! This motivates me. Say yes, the message you are preaching, you are not preaching in vain. The gospel is still going. Me patrol Johnny, who bet me a share, and I course here we are first service. We are first service. Why Johnny, who bet me a share at your mommy? So I Johnny, who bet me a share the mommy? Where the gospel must go, and the gospel is still going. Yeah, yes, watch out. Yes, the gospel must go militant. You can see how they are busy, and the gospel is still going. Yeah, these are the gospel must go militant. The whole village has come out to come and help me clean the village. Please, this is just encouragement. I'm doing this video just to encourage each and everyone that when we go to some of the villages and others, you shouldn't just go and preach. You should look at the condition over in the village and also help them. Look at the condition in the village. Today, the people in the village are very happy. This is not money. I never gave them money. I just gave them a word, and they all came to in agreement. Let us help in building our village. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. And the gospel is still going. You can see the militants busily and seriously working. There are plenty. We are more than 300 in numbers. Some of them are in front here. The boys are here. Some of them are here. Let me share. Why Johnny I share, mommy? Why Johnny I me pacho? Why Johnny I bet me I share at the amami? We the gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. Why Johnny I bet me I share at the amami? You can see how the boys are busily working. Oh wow, many are Janopay. Many are Janopay, papa. Many are Janopay, papa. Why Johnny I bet me I share? Yeah, there are some brother after the work. Mumu. Mumu. But we over TV so ahofo. Ahofo pa. Over TV so ahofo. Etu dey do why? The gospel must go, and the gospel is still going. You can see how the boys are busily working. Yes. The gospel must go. His name is Abi. Those of you who attend through Salvation, what do you call it? What is the name of the church? Sorry, Savior Church. He's a member of the Savior Church. Openi Abraham Eduse, that is the guy who is speaking. We've just combined all churches. We have Methodist, we have Roman, we have SDA, we have GD Koko, GD Fita. This is CSC. We have Roman, we have CSC, we have SDA. We are all together that we are working. Yeah, these are some of the gospel must go militants. Yes. He's called Gabriel. Yes. He's called Gabriel. Yes. He's a driver, but he's in the village. He has no car. In case you have a car that you want someone to drive. This my brother is a driver, but you know in the village who is going to buy the car for him? Who is going to buy the car for him? So I'm just urging my my viewers that in case you have a car, either or Hyundai Grace, Fish, Sprinter. Here, if you get Sprinter, I will look after it for you. He's a best driver and he can drive for you. So in case anybody is having a car, he's having a license, everything, but he has nobody to buy him a car. That is why he's still in the village. So if you have a car over there, just call my number 0547 4000679. The gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. You can see them working. We have the boys, the energetic boys. They are all in the village. So these are some of the things that we can do to motivate them. Right now, after this, I'm not done. I have to get them street lights. I've started. They can all bear witness. I will let them speak after we finish with the work. They are working because I don't want to interview them. After they finish working, I will let you know what we are doing in the village. I'm trying to get them Omeka se janabia. Say omu here toilet. Mastate toilet no mutu. Street bobs no matuto bia with my little the little God has blessed me with. Kakrana Yamidia Adia Chameno street bobs, no, Matutobi, me Yakosro, I met them now Mohu street bobs, no, a Janabia, no problem. Say ye too, ye are ye best. Mia, the little the Lord will give me, will bless me with. Me I will just also bless them with it because today no Mama Meniaje papa Yamwonipa Abra Yatiasie Yamwonipa Abra Yatiasie. These are the Gospel Must Go militants. You can see the ladies. Yeah, you can see them. The men and the women. Yeah, you can see the men and the women. How they are busily working. These are the Gospel Must Go militants. Monia Obia Juma. Juma na no moye no Obia Juma. Now winning Bibi. Let me let someone come and view me. Let me let somebody come and view me. Hey, why the new camera chapa? Unless I show you. Share. Certainly say and fan sanka bibia we a life or more shanty no and fan sanka bibia so mu say na fashion the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade up on your coupon shroud now on your here. This is Scotch Chrome for you. We are busily working. Yeah, just say you could, you best yes. You know, I come home and you say, I will give you message. They don't know. Message man is a munya mojuma, ye Akaha, remember Munya Mojuma, and my Munya. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. And a Sunday, and a Sunday, no people say a dear pay and a air coso. Me patch me person me chama di ADCB so. Me person me chama di ADCB so. People say a dear na air coso. Me patch a higher quite room. Tenete ni. Aha air quite room. People say a hin fan a quite room ewo. Me patch ansana ekufuado ebebaso no. Na yeshe be quite ase. Na keka Asante Bekwai district na Kwachi Krom yeka ho na ba say ye tete district ni bi aka ho no e na yete ye ho edi free Bekwai enti ye ne ye be share Bosome frɛ ho district se le tell pa Bosome frɛ ho district e pa to mumra ni se ka mama e fra o ya Kwachi munya obi ameno ye fra me patcho me chuma den e dey see me so aha e ya Bosome from district e ti say no ye nse the fire asibi obi so brother e can me person me back Kwachi brother me sure say dem ranch ni baba wa e ye juma na me person can be bie juma because to be frankly speaking my can say me job e maba wa e ranch e everyone ko kure wo kure dia we they can say e juma tin pa dia with me ni o mu Obuye ejuma yankopon edicha enipa yefuru no omo pepa eyekuru ejuma na me pesa me fa sa akonya wo so na me ka kire wi asafa na nyina tutu yenua no ma manya sika mo pesa mo di sheku mu se me pa cha wo dia wan kasabra so wo America so wo Italy so wo Germany so wo Greece upe kura esojuo tieni edi kan kura esojuo kura wo ye juma ubenya aboafo kura ubema ahemfo committee for your friends assemblyman for you do odobebo odoma welcome wa me pacho Kwachi Krom ye number 1 Me person me chama din edisi me so dia me kan ama ewia safa na nyina ati ase nie bibie no wa wasase so a wode wo so so betimi aya ontimi nye ya ma mi ya papa mu nyina o maboa se o mbedi machi ensuo mo awie mo ekon mo emi mo awewo mo anigye mo sesunyane setakwari sekepos o mbedi machi ne dia sempatre na ko. What a joy. It's a community as a whole. It's a community as a whole. Baby, Ametaka said there's power in the way. Yes, Christo Castle, John chapter 6, the verse my sister 3. The word is what? Power and spirit. It's life and spirit. May you imagine Elias so. So who a dog way in Armenia? I'm saying most people, a man for Taka, brother me was Juma, brother me was Juma, brother me was Juma, me part of so Juma. What are you framing? Young for God-fearing people. One man named Suro, a woman. Almost saying, I mean, I'm saying, and we are saying, a woman so move by a Jumamu. The patch of Shemai, with a platform of Shemai, Shemani, and Juma, one, or Castle, where you're going to me. So, Bana Catesia, Pa, Cotua, over Cassia, Catesia. The Castle Jumania, or with you, a Jumania. Mesra say enam say you koko ne yi nti no momye nwi adwuma ne sesi e na afa ye didie no ana ye agi koko no na ye ye wenya nti mesra mo mani aya mo pra de enko mumye nwi ansa ye ahaya na edisi ahaya Roman for any ya na edisi ahaya ni anko okusie de abem pa okusie what is your name?
My name is Isaiah.
Isaiah, yeah, this is Isaiah. Your guy name is Okusie. Yeah, this is Okusie for you. Okusie Yobia, Eba, Kuyajuma, dia wintimi nyini film. Well, yeah, the year, papa. Say, yeah, your friend is a poultry farm. Say, your cocoa farm. A Jume Bia, no, Okusie, so bet me a yaman. What is your name?
My name is Okusie.
Okusie. Mama say mo Okusie. Work and happiness. This is what I call work and happiness. Work and happiness. Which means emrantia na buy nyina obia ayakomapa. Where your dog because I will not give them anything. Me more share. But you can see, look at the number of people. You can see the number of people in the street. The whole community. The whole adentra enyumapa nyamenam yesoa ye yentino. You can see the community, the whole community. Obia baso obere obeboa. What a joy! Ebi mo ne mo yere omomma abusuani njina obia baso obeboa na yesiesie community no. Twede ampa Nyankopon hira na onye okahye. Mamemfa me number yi ento ho. Mamemfa me number yi ento ho. Right now me woni pa be de ho a or they are into farming. Oba so a oma beboa o man kasa ebeboa adwuma bi a person ye me se factory adwuma se se amenemo kasa ye hia your friend say garri processing machine munchena nie pa garri process ha omudua banche ye person ke etimi bie sa garri processing machine a kura wa ha nyina do mo banche beba me pa cho mo amo hwe me free German mo amo hwe me free Italy Mama show me every Switzerland, Canada, US. Me pacho, say we are interested at Mr. Uba so land there we need problem. Ubenya land ni bi. Ye pesi e bie garri processing machine, garri processing factory. Me pacho ejuma no ho the cassava is there, the raw material is there, the land is there, aka the capital. So whoever is interested, o de bra, you get the workers. Ye de akomapa eno odo ebedu wachi. Ye po obi obetimi abebie the Gare factory. Gare processing factory. Ye be package no. Ye de be ko US. Ye de be ko wiasa fana nyina. The people, the land, the raw materials ebu aha. Aka machine no. This is an opportunity for investors. Opportunity. I have so light to ha. Last time no be busa say brother na kwachi kromo no. Typical village and me pacho light wa ha. Quota so e wa ha. You can see so mujina quota no so. Omujina quota no so. Light and so wa ha. Chenete ne pa light wa ha. Quota e wa ha. Pipes in so wa ha. I'm saying what the factory and our business be called baby. Idea we consider air light and land no light and a quota and only idea I consider. Now so nyamia daruma krodia light waha nyamia daruma. You can see if I'm lying, you can see yourself. Ya kwanye. You can see yourself. Your baby wa o koye investment ah. Eya wunya light. Just so you plant and so had the light waha. Eti idea ba ko am recommend ya me listeners. Me followers, who person university and me purchase say no. The worker nyame dia tuma kuma so. A obi person wo ya meboa na manaye. Gare processing. Gare processing. Ye package said ye won't need fufu any ade no. Gare processing because there are many villages around here. Aha kasa no eba cassava. Your friend say banchia. You two banche pa. It's raw material any problem. Me pacho obi someone is asking for my number. My number is 0547 400 679 0547 400 679. That is my number. 05. Let me tag you with the number. Let me tag you. People are requesting for my number 0547 400 679. So what Johnny and me pacho? This is my number. This is my number. My number. People are requesting for my number. This is my number. 0547 400 679. Me pacho, this is my number. My number no ena me de ato ehono. Eti ofre me a. This is the village. This is the village. Me pacho samo wi a moma ye nyina yan gada wa ha na yemfa ya no di 7 tudwa na yenkodi ekoko no. Me pacho mrantie maba wa obi amra. Obi amra. You beko. Momra ni yenwie we na yenko. Me pacho obi amra me pese omu the number of people. Enipa dodo no. Meka am. Obi amra. Mesra so obi amra na. Kwabra. Bra. Pack no ha. Pack ne bra. Pack moto. Hey. Kwabra bra kwa hu se ha. Pack ni. Pack we ni. Aha. Bedi na chi ne bra. Me pa cho. Me pe. Your friend is say enipa mienu yi omu nsi ho na mon kan nipa dodo no. Okay, ma men kan mu gira ho a metimi akan. Okay, Kizo. Kizo yeah. Kan mo mame. Ya na dia tun so mo wo ya zo no. Okay, ma men kan. Okay, obi anya be mesra mo. Obi anya be odina. Em se bi mo ya adwuma omo de omo nya. Ma mo nya mo mra mo. Asampa trenenko. Me pacho muntie na mo hwe me asem bi besi. On say ye kan ye ne yankase yakasa na won ma no denden. Sama ho ma denden. Asampa trenenko. Mantio asampa trenenko. The gospel must go. Where the menu? Now the castle went to me and can wait the menu. Asampa trenenko. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. The don't bad, you know. say no mode akomapa hello sababi edumani no kofo ye sisi eni no kofo me pato eni no kofo se be ya ye ma ne mo because mam wo high me nya sure say be do 1000 ba mam wo phone mu ko Facebook no obehwe ne nipa 40,000 na ehwe sisi 40,000 enu anyumre obenya nipa 100,000 oh moje it is a year de wa de hwe obi ase ne bre a wo hwe na bia de na asema ye kan wele asa ya pani bia ne amon Everybody show obi biara se na den so maje bre na we am ye ni nyina ne mu hu so mfa so minim se acha busumi nyiro chi no mo beti ge ti a video ni ere me ye no ase se me nko ama hoden se mitimi eye janabia tieri o me ma hoden o ebi nsira nya me di esira me no mitimi ye janabia mitimi to street light tineteni o na busa se ne fashion tim se me nko ofo na me namfofo be se 10 ka me ho adie ne besie very good enu ti na me ye wi me ye sa video yi me nyo obi a na se ka me start say me to street box no ke no ase me de camera dey akojina na nka me kire me ye street light omo bottle na nka makojina me di misika dey bottle amawi na me ye we na me ya show mo nkran what I say me pese me catch me nuanom asofofo bia wo kra da wo asoro mi ni asafo me nti asore me dia ne se me ba ha me pa chedi adwuma na me na ha yenyi nyame asem nto ncha edi adwuma na me na ha edi adwuma na me na ha oh eti adonde de no eno no kakra me se beka mo obi sa de bia enye kua no nko a wo me wo ofuo banku hello the gospel must go emisa muti asem yo musu gomele me pa cho ka se gomele a eyeduane mutie nie ya ka se gomele eyeduane ede aduane me pa cho se na aduane tie emu a ata me pa cho sa mu we wo de China for de ne ya enyi ebibifo mu a wanoa na nsuo koma ata na abenkwan me pa cho nya abenkwan keke abenkwa api na odi bi sa wo no na nsesa wo gu ase na mommo ne kaka Kedia for Nyankopon Shira obi biara mesra mo se wo hwe ye ma mi mu a omo wa ha ne ye brother se omo ha. These are the people who do more sure say they will help push the gospel. Say no mi mu ayodu. And we are not forming a church. Enya safoniete. Me bawa anase me akosi ewua. Bebrene nim se from akosi ewua. Bebrene nim se from akosi ewua. Me Sunday bon afewua. Etu be fia efia kasa misano edi e de from akosi ewua. Eti me brofo din Martin Luther afewua. Eti me twi din no eye akosi ewua. Me akosi ewua me gidi se Yesu wo na chi no. Nyame onte edan nipa di nsasi ena mesa wo gidie bi se Kristosum eyabrabo Kristosum eyabrabo eti Philippians chapter 1 the verse 27 no wasemu mama brabo no emfata de Kristo de asempa no enya ye kos asonde mokobo yensem beto collection me bedi adanse eno nyame som na emom wa pie firi ho no wonu wunu ayonkofa wonu obusia ayonkofa wonu adanfo ayonkofa suba wo de to bro no so eno ne epese yi party edikanfo na dada ya che eti Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 16 wasi se bre no do ye hwehwe ye musa tete atempon no na se hwehwe ne yebusa ye nkofa so ye benya ahome ama ye kra me pesa me di ade bi se ni petrim se e bia mransam ne untimi no so na emom so wunya odo wadi mransam so nyina na a community like this e kwa be so mefa so a metimi nyame suro ana se nyame ase ewuram metimi agise me di enkabom beba agise ye kire odo tenete nie pa ye kire odo na ye mami ya ye papa ma mu ha yi enche ye be launch the gospel must go militant no ye print a t-shirt bo so mu nyina she t-shirt this time say me call out for evangelism you will see all these people with me we mu nyina be ka me ho ena me no omo ye den eko omo do omo asu o say there be Mark 8:36 obi nya wi asa japade nyina na so hwe ne kra emfaso obey na mpo omutimi asakire omadwen no omutimi so buo bi mo hu Kristo na se sika mpo mo anya bi no omuhu a omunim so omahyeso omajapade den ewo soro enu ti na omudu odo abo odom abeka me ho se adwuma bi a meya bia no omuso do mo eden ebehye me nso mi dia metima ya mo omulie omomu gyan nyina obi a wo yere obi a wo ma obi a wo kunu wontimi kasa me kwa bonche kaka nyame asem abre efiere enye eti ye de asi enu so se ade efre ni kua eno ne ye de beye ya ne ya nko suku bi na ade buku sem abeto yanim ye de ya nyansa ahoɔden nimdie anyam dia man asase wei aha wudua body ebeye asase wei udua koko eno na nyame ede ere ache eti mesem listeners me followers nyina ade ba ko amu betimi aboa nie medium wo gidi se eni kwa se wo che fish ne mo nipa se nipa na kwa ya fa so ede e che fish no Saudi sika pempem bre we ma wa ha hom Nema wudi sika no akwasi moni say when you invest into them wudi sika no ebo mu dwetre anasa wudi sika no be pass asibi na afe ope machine bi na afe ope noba bi ase maami sisa ya adwuma we dua kokoi dua buroi dua we bosumi bia metua wo say ya mejiri se edidi da eyesene de edidi prako yanka se fa sika bra ye hia wo sika na mum de panie ya di kaka ya kuma so de pani kuro bia we muye Emma wa ne mama wa nyina obi a obanchifuo obi du be banchiri timi baa na sa hye foma sa abro tienie banchini baa on say minim say you start ye adwuma no ne ade anyame de atoma koma so obi biara ka wakoma say I want to help Kwachikro village me pese Kwachikro me boa wo mo me pa cho emo asesi ye hia pa ne say wa wo hwa anyame ama ahoɔden a Ubetima be biesa Gary factory, Gary processing factory. Yentia yani akọ Gary hunye. Gary eya die bia so ye nya ya 1000 years e da so ye Gary. Sempo sensu anto bayira anyeye, emu anyeye, your friends e bura anyeye a yenim se Kwachikro de ye wo Gary e den e wo ho. Etima sre pa se land ne de oba uni problem. Ye benya land ni bia de e de amount. Wo de se mumfa machines no Monfa mu engineers no, monfa mu manager no, mu directors no mra, laborers ye wo ho, land ye wo ho, materials The gospel must go. Say baby aduro no MC so no anu ayeden. Ene ye be ye adwuma nso ye nidi. Nyame adaroma ene ya pop ya toto ye nsase. Ye sa wodwuma die bebira ye pese ye die. Say enanyumre anase wiem ho no the gospel must go militant me pachi ebe hia ye bedi agro ebi beto dame ebi beto waware ebi beto ludu na se be ya mu be hwe life no ye fa twedua we twedua no edua we ase ene ebeba ye be ma ne life se be ya wo America wo Italy wo German wo Japan wo benye edua we ase ne ba bedi agro no omo be win no first second third ye be che o made ye we nyina just to say be ya ade bi bia no omuso do mu be she ba say ye wie communal labor no ye kope koko bi adi ya ka koko a obi bia oba ha bia no ebenya bi koko ni kose me de me so ko bedo na sunya twede aponya kupon shira no onye okase the gospel must go and the gospel is still going fashion team say Jesus Christ oba say see e no ma ye nyina se ahire nka afaso be wo sika ha mami ka se mi cha de fo na mo hwe me no Minion burgers are more Italy, more German, more US. When I will see what Sika said, you can't on the floor. The number of people you can put smile on their face. Me say make my customer on the floor, and yes, you can't them accounts. No more. And the Padua make me this city. I saw more food, and I just saw we use Kenny. I'm running slow now on shaman. So I joined the gospel preaching chariot. I avail myself to teach and to be taught. Salvation of souls is my focus. So help me God. Amen. The gospel must go. Mepa ose jese ni ediane mepa yomuche ediane mepa hello mepa to muche ediane asese ewo no no upe ko pa proposal upe ko sa pa mo ko so When you're back, you Makizo, me phone, me pacho, yenche mumyenu. Ebi bako asidato, no bi so akọ. Makizo, me pacho mucho mu, emra kwa yenso ne ba ne anko. Mucho mu. Me pacho mucho mu. Koko na go tiako. Eti obi a kwaji ni dia. Mama o ma tete.
Okay, a man, Momra, say, my Momra, me patch, a man, Momra, me patch, a man, Momra. You won't call free or her. 7 me bar village, Jano. Me who say, Ranchen be a big crowd of molances. A big crowd of molances, ever children yard. A Ranchen be now on Sanojuma. Bebrena won Sanojuma. Bebrena e won Sanojuma. Na so mu nyina wo village because okokroma sabe ne maame antime ansi dan bi okrom. Ne papa bi anti sabe okokroma ida se okwakoda obi nchen. Ana okwakosua kro no ene obetra ne kura se sabe otimi do ba nchi bi no onya wansiri bi a nani ebeje ho. Mesra ebi anyame ato nsem obie factory bi. Opel drivers me pacho tie Opel drivers. And yet just a driver. A qualified driver with the lances me pacho okay, no be busa, will be number. Which guy's number? No be busa, minim, say will be busa, so will be number. Me pacho, okay, mamu busa be mo number no. What that frame, in the video no. No one status a branch here with me pen number because Osika say I want the guy's number. Me who guy cro. Aha, me who guy cronty. Or munye. What the me number in 0547 400 0547 400 679. Eti mesramo. Ana okusia. Okusia.
Me number is 0553.
Bobo. Bobo.
0553. 65. 409.
Tobona ke kan ye. 0553. 65. 9409. Because now ma obi busa say I want the guy's number. I want minim guy kro. But minim say at the end of the day me wi a on be frame. Eti ye mranti a omo nsuso ye mu e wa adwuma no ye. Se ye kwa omu nyina di machi aye de asempatra ne eko. He de bia metaka say obeboa wo mu onyame be nyame. Chenecheni, we are not forcing any listeners to help. Some babu, some mu nyame bekoso ere aye nyame. These are the gospel must go militants. Now the American say, what the if I interested in farming, oba boysy, hey, ombabua, a jume bia, say ya do, say a jume bia, what the toka omubechi, a jume bia, opus omuye biano, ombeye edi amount. Asampatranenko. Em say your footballers omo munim ball bopa enso ewominti no yesra say bia wo academy bi either Ghana here or outside. Okay, obi so up me WhatsApp number no me pacho mami pini me WhatsApp number no 0547 400 679. This is my WhatsApp number. Mami pini me WhatsApp number and I want to pin this number. Me WhatsApp number no let me pin it. Mami pin yeah. Me pacho me WhatsApp number na me pin edit that hono. Ma mu hear me number no ebreko eso mu kodidi. We have a lot of things to do. And then so kosie ebi mo so ebeko share them akosom ni ade. Enti these are the people your footballers home, your drivers for home, your mason for home, your carpenter for home. Juma no they just call me. Me braba kwa wo US. Me pacho asim fosu. So ono so person ye the same farming na yi. Man ye be employ money ade. Me pacho asim fosu. me bra wo US me pesa me ka odi nipa no do sintino me hwe say before ending 15th of this month me dem rant ne beba ye bedo asase ne so blocks no man betwa bibia me electrician for me wo mason for me wo carpenter for ye bra wo she grove si wo carpenter papa do she grove si say blue no wo ye mason ni papa wo carpenter ni papa electrician ye papa bi aso okay, mami from we say yes, I make some because trading upon yanku position on your cashier. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. But didn't catch them say, young when you pay bra what you say. Say yanku ba on can't you say, I for your born as on them. Obabusa say, and you padu do ultimately say there, a show moon. Okay, come back to chapter 25, the verse Matthew 4. Was it a come dem one mammy, so come dem one mammy, me dadja. And here na Bible cast me preach, I want to collection. Okay, so I'm for you. A riding shroud, no your cashier. Asampatranenko The gospel must go. The gospel must go. Asampatranenko. Na mi shira obi biara.